Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I like these spindles.
Well, I don't know, honey. It's very open for me. Now, we really wanted a popcorn ceiling, and this just doesn't feel like enough texture.
No, there's not a lot of texture up there, Tim.
My texture guy, he could come in, popcorn it.
Yeah? You can go right over the top?
Oh yeah, straight over the top.
If you can add texture in, then that's okay by us.
Leave it to me.
He's good.
He's good.
I told you he's good.
He's good.
Did I tell you he's good?
Yeah, you said that.
Full-size oven and more storage.
Now, I've always wanted an electric stove.
Hey, Stace, check it out. You can get your plates from both sides, huh?
Well, isn't that nifty, eh?
Now, in the MLS, I believe you said that there was wood floors in the bedrooms. Is that correct?
No, we got carpet wall to wall all the way through the main level. All the way through.
Oh, good.
Good.
There is hardwood under here, but you know what we can do with that? We can take this carpet, rip it up, and we can glue linoleum straight to the hardwood. And I'm telling you, it will never come up.
Didn't I tell you he's good?
He's good.
He's good, isn't he? Now, talk to us about this carpet. What are we working with here? This looks like nice stuff.
It's 11 grain camel fiber.
Wow, okay.
And let me tell you, this will never go out of style.
Now, these fluorescents, can we put more of these in?
Well, we can add them everywhere. It gives such a nice light.
Oh, for sure.
It's kind of like a hospital, and they need good
They
lighting.
have the best lighting for the surgeons.
Yeah.
Wow.